happy Saturday to all of you. Guess what?
What?
It's June.
Yes!
And it's summer. And it's time to look at another release from Tailored Expressions. So if you are just popping on today, not sure what you're watching, this is our release reveal video where we share with you the earliest sneak peek of what's coming next week during our new product release on Tuesday. I'm Taylor.
I'm Whitney.
And we like to join you on Saturdays to give you a look at what's coming so you can kind of prepare. And of course, we're going to show you some inspiration from our design team, tell you about the special offer that comes on Tuesday so you can get all ready before the new release.
I like to call this the insider information.
Yes.
You're going to get all the details about the things so that you can prepare to buy probably everything that you've ever wanted.
Right?
That's what I always tell
I know.
myself. Don't get too excited. But then I see everything and I'm like,
Yes.
can't
check
wait.
that box, check that box.
I'm
I
like,
know.
Tuesday.
Well, we are excited to share with you what's coming on Tuesday, and it is time to celebrate summer. So we've been taking a trip across America, traveling a bit here at Tailored Expressions as we released our travel-themed Adventure Awaits kit at the end of May. And then last week we had our Across America collection of dies and stamps, and now we're taking a trip this week to some more beachy locations.
Ooh.
Should I show everybody?
My language, yes.
Okay, well, I'm going to pop the graphic on the screen so you guys can take a look at the promotional offer. We have 2 bundles available with this release, and if you purchase one bundle or both bundles, you will receive this free gift. This is the Sketchy Stripes 6x6 background stamp, and it goes beautifully with both of the bundles. So it is limit 1 per customer, and it will be automatically added to your cart when you add one of the bundles or both of the bundles to your cart. So let's take a look at these bundles. As always with our bundles, they are curated to work together. However, you can also purchase all of these items separately if you see certain things that you're like, oh, I want to pick and choose. You can do that. So I'm going to show you the bundles and how we curated these collections to work together, and then you can make your decisions on Tuesday.
Where are we going first?
Where should we go first? Should we go to the coast of Italy?
Yes!
Okay, sounds great. We are going to start off then on the coast of Italy with our Coastal Vibes stamp set and coordinating dies. Wow. Aren't these fun?
Yes.
I am loving these. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Whitney, have you noticed? Sardines are huge.
I did. I saw a pillow with sardines on it the other day, and I thought to myself, so this is a thing. But now I see it, and I'm like, I actually love this. I want to start collecting.
I know. Susan has been saying that she has a spoon rest that has a sardine print on it, and my daughter's actually going shopping this spring for summer clothes. There were sardines everywhere on t-shirts and bags. And so this fun set features iconery from, if you think of like Italian summer, maybe think about lobster and crabs. We have some palm tree little sardines in the canister. What do you call that? A tin can. And then we've got some little sardines out of the can, and then we have the little starfish and other kind of fun little elements. Lemons. Lemons are a big one for Italian summer as well. So this set has coordinating dies that you can purchase separately. It is a great one for a technique that we like to call happy half sheets. So I'm going to bring in, this is not a card yet, but I stamped this entire piece of paper with elements from this stamp set. So this is what we would call a happy half sheet that you can then cut apart and create cards from. So really fun imagery and fun color combinations to play with here as well. So then up next, also to go with this Coastal Vibes set, we have this fun background stamp called Gallery Wall.
Ooh.
Isn't that fun?
I love this. Can you show the other side? Because it's so big and I feel...
It is.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is a 6x6 background stamp. I'm sure you can envision lots of things that you could stamp inside of here. Fun little sentiments and little icons, even die cut pieces that you could put inside of those frames. For this particular stamp, we have made sure that these images will fit inside so that you can build something like this. Again, not yet made into a card, but it will be very soon.
That is so
isn't that fun?
Did you do this?
I did this. So yeah, I am going to create my projects for the live on Tuesday using this fun piece of paper and show you some fun ways to turn this background into a couple different cards. So that is the gallery wall. And then of course we have to have some sentiments for your Italian summer. We have this Sunny Sayings set that has coordinating dies as well. Ciao Bella is in there, which is Italian. And then you have your Hello Summer, Miss You, Sending Sunshine, Just a Note, Hello, and Thank You. And I think that script font that I used on these is very, it's not too fine detailed. It's kind of thicker, but it just has that kind of wispy, outdoorsy, coastal vibe to it. So this sentiment set is part of the bundle, or you can get it separately as well. Let's take a look at some more inspiration, actual finished cards from design team members. This one is from Jill. She stamped and die cut many of those icons.
Cute.
And then you can see that sketchy stripes background. Look at the detail of those stamped stripes. I love how it's sketchy, and I think that's a really fun element. And that is the freebie. So when you buy one or both of the bundles, you're going to get that stamp free. And then here you can see Heather used the gallery wall stamp and stamped some of those icons and also die cut some and popped them inside just to add dimension to the background. Then we also have one more. This one uses a few elements from both bundles, so I haven't shown you some of these things yet, but you can see that Ciao Bella sentiment, and we have those icons across the bottom on this cute card from Lori. We've got the sketchy stripes in the background as well. And Lori's daughter just got married, and we're
so happy for her.
I know. They've been celebrating, and this was kind of the theme for her bridal shower, which I thought was kind of fun. She enjoyed getting crafty with this kind of Italian summer theme, and it was fun to see some of the things that she made for the bridal shower as well. So cute card, Lori. All right, that is the Coastal Collage bundle. Now, where are we heading?
We're headed to my favorite place where I get solitude, the beach.
We're headed to the beach, maybe a tropical beach, like, let's go to Hawaii.
Okay, I want to go to Hawaii.
Okay, we're headed to Hawaii with our next bundle. This is called Beachbound. And you can see the beautiful garden variety tropical blooms is part of this bundle, and these flowers are going to be beautiful whether you put them in one of our vases or containers, or maybe you want to use this set. So this set is called Beachbound, and it includes a little beach bag. Isn't that cute? It's kind of like a bog bag style.
So on trend.
All kinds of things that you can put in there. We had some of our designers actually put the garden variety flowers coming out of the beach bag, so this could be your vessel or your container for a floral arrangement, or you can start popping in things like the sandals. We've got the little sun hat and the sunglasses, and there's even little charms that you can build to put on your beach bag. There's a little sun, a beach ball, and a flower. And then you've got your seashells and sand dollars. So just a really fun die set that you can use in lots of different ways. We also have a set of wave edgers. I think these edgers are fun. We called them wave edgers because I think they look like kind of sand and surf, I guess. You know, when the surf comes up on the sand and you get all those bubbles, that kind of reminds me of that. And then the waves here. But I can see using these not only for beachy cards, but just as a fun border along the side of your project. So that's called Wave Edgers. And then our sentiments for the Beachbound bundle are called Endless Summer. I love this kind of happy font work on this set. Of course, life is better in flip-flops. Isn't that the truth?
Couldn't agree more.
Sending oceans of love. I like this one too. You're the flip to my flop, Whitney.
Aww. I'll send that one your way.
I'm the flop. You can be the flip.
Oh, I get to be the flip.
I think that's pretty appropriate.
I do too. I was going to say, I agree.
You were the cheerleader doing the flips.
Yes.
If I tried, they definitely would have been flops. So that's Endless Summer stamp set, and then the dies that coordinate to cut those out. Let's look at some of these samples. Lots of pretty things you can do, bright color combinations. Lori created this one. She's got the gallery wall in the background, which I think is fun. She didn't actually put anything inside of the frame openings, but instead used it to build her arrangement of florals on top.
Oh, those florals are gorgeous.
Aren't they pretty?
I love all the garden
Do you like
varieties.
a hibiscus flower?
Yes.
Yes, me
It
too.
does remind me of Hawaii, too.
Mm-hmm. It's very tropical. Next up, Heather made this beauty.
Wow.
Look at how pretty that is. I love that background, the lattice that she, I think that's called Lovely Lattice Embossing Folder. And then she put it inside one of our pails. And I think that might be rustic pail or something along those lines. I think that one is a perfect way to build a bouquet. Then another one from Heather using those flip-flops.
Cute.
Aren't those cute with the waves along the side, the wave edger dies? And I'm excited to share with you guys again a unique way that we like to build these is with the edge-to-edge stripes. And so we have engineered our dies to work so that your little stripes can go edge to edge without having to glue each piece down individually. So we've got a style sheet and several videos on how to achieve that easily. And then last but not least, this one from Jill, again using that sketchy stripes in the background so you can see how that works. That's our freebie when you purchase either or both bundles. And she's got her black and white flip-flops. I love the black and white stripe. That's fun. And the sunglasses along with the flowers as well.
Her flowers are gorgeous. She did lots of highlighting there too. It's beautiful.
I love those. They do look like real hibiscus flowers. So pretty. All right. Well, those are your samples for the Beachbound bundle.
That was an amazing trip.
Wasn't that fun?
Yes.
We took a little trip. All right, well, we have to come back to everybody. Now that our trip is over, we didn't actually get to visit Italy or Hawaii, so we'll have to change that someday soon.
Yes.
But thank you for joining us on this trip Saturday, and we are excited for you guys to get to see more of these products and craft along with me on Tuesday during the live. The release will happen at 9 a.m. Central Time, and then we'll be live crafting at 10 o'clock, so plan on joining us then. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.